Alright, today I'm going to show you how to put on a Swiffer Duster Refill back onto the stick. So this is the old stick. As you can see, there's not much for gripping on this right here, so it's simply a slide in motion. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to look on the Swiffer replacement. And if you look down here, there are two slots for this to go in, and it's important that you put it inside of these two inner slots right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to slide it inside of those two slots right here, and then I'm just going to push it all the way in until it gets to the top and you're ready to Swiffer again. Now, this is not locked into place, so be careful when you come back in this motion onto things, because if it's a rough surface, it might come off. So just generally when you Swiffer, just take it and go like that. And that's how you replace the Swiffer Duster. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.